What's up guys? Did you know about release of the new Redmi Buds for Lite? Many people have missed the new generation of Xiaomi budget earbuds, although you might be very interested in them. Our previous video about Redmi Buds 3 Lite is very popular, but we don't have that earbuds to compare them with the new Redmi Buds for Lite. In any case, the new wireless earbuds have a completely new design and specifications. We will do unboxing and full review of Xiaomi Redmi Buds for Lite in this video. By the way, you are watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. If you are the first time here, please subscribe. Thank you. You know, Redmi Buds for Lite have only been released in China, so I have the Chinese version with Chinese inscriptions on the box. By the way, the new Xiaomi earbuds are also called Redmi Buds for Use Edition. Just know that Redmi Buds for Lite and Redmi Buds for Use Edition are the same earbuds. Inside the box, there's a charging case with earbuds, USB Type-C charging cable, and user manual. As already said, the new Redmi Buds for Lite have a completely new design. The new generation of the wireless earbuds come with a half-in-ear design and a stem. I have a black color option, but they are also available in white, green and orange colors. I seem to have the most boring black color. The earbuds are made of glossy plastic. The charging contacts are on the inside, while the touch control panel is on the outside. We will talk about control functions a little later in this video. The charging case of Redmi Buds for Lite is also different from the previous generation. There is Redmi logo on the lid and USB Type-C charging port on the back. We can also see a small LED indicator on the front. As for the size of the charging case, it is 55 by 48 by 21 mm. The weight with earbuds is 34 grams. The weight of the single earbud is 4 grams, while the dimensions are 30 by 20 by 20 mm. Redmi Buds Use Edition also have IP54 waterproof and dustproof rating. It means that you can play sports with earbuds because they are not afraid of sweat. By the way, the new Xiaomi earbuds fit pretty well in the ears, and they do not fall out during light sports. Overall, Xiaomi Buds for Lite look very good for their price of only $20. However, they look pretty boring in black color. I would like to try them in orange or green colors. Now, let's talk about connection and control functions. Redmi Buds for Lite have a Bluetooth 5.3. You just need to take the earbuds out of the charging case. Open the Bluetooth menu on your Android or iOS device and select Redmi Buds for Lite. The new earbuds also have quick connection with MIUI devices. Unfortunately, I don't have a Xiaomi smartphone right now, so I cannot show you that. The new Xiaomi earbuds have touch control panels. When you press them once, nothing happens. A double press on the left or right earbuds plays and pauses the music. A triple press on any earbud switches to the next track. The manufacturer says that a long press of the earbuds for 1.5 seconds enables or disables a low latency mode. However, when I press them, there is no sound notifications about activation of gaming mode, so I am wondering if there is a game mode. Let's check it out. I want to play PUBG Mobile a little, because it is the best game for testing the latency. As you can see, the latency is very high. You know, I pressed the touch panels several times, and I held them down, but there is no game mode. Unfortunately, Redmi Buds for Lite are bad for gaming. However, you can use Redmi Buds for Lite for phone calls. The new earbuds have noise call reduction, and we need to check it. What's up guys, I'm testing the microphone of Redmi Buds for Lite. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I want to play a video with street noise on my TV to test the noise reduction. Hey guys, can you hear me? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. By the way, please hit the like button to this video. Thank you. Talking about sound quality of Redmi Buds for Lite. First, you need to know that they have 12mm driver. For comparison, the previous model Redmi Buds 3 Lite have only 6mm driver. You know the bass is much more powerful on the new earbuds. You will definitely enjoy bass booster music. The vocal is very good, but the instrumental music is not very impressive. Overall, for the price of $20, the sound quality of Redmi Buds for Lite is decent. Now let's talk about battery of the new Xiaomi budget earbuds. The charging case has a battery capacity of 350 mAh, while a single earbud is equipped with 50 mAh battery. On a single use, the earbuds have up to 5 hours of playtime, depending on volume. A total battery life with charging case is about 20 hours. It is not very much, but not bad for budget earbuds. So the new Redmi Buds for Lite have many improvements over the previous generation. Now they have the latest Bluetooth 5.3 version, 12mm dynamic driver with much better bass, and a little longer battery life, up to 20 hours. The new earbuds also have a new have-in-ear design. Because of the stem, I think the microphone quality is better. However, I didn't find a low latency or a gaming mode on Redmi Buds for Lite. Probably it is only available on Xiaomi devices, but I don't have one right now. By the way, do you think the black color looks boring? I would rather choose these earbuds in orange or green colors. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!